Maayong gabi, mga kapanalig. Tonight, we're going to have a short contemplative pause. Anong ginagawa nyo ngayon? Siguro kumakain kayo, ano? But anyway, kahit na may medyo hapon na, sabi ko sa inyo maayong gabi. Good evening. Because life is like that. There is a sunrise and a sunset. There is a moment of storm, typhoon, but also a moment of clear skies. There is day and night. And ngayon lang, hinahanap ko yung mga ibon, no? Kasi parang walang ibon dito sa Mariam tayo ngayon. Pero alam nyo, na ngayon lang may dumaan dito na isang swallow, or you call that balin sa sayaw. Life is like that. We cannot have all ice cream and cake sa buhay natin. Pero alam niyo rin na ang karma, hindi 30 years after. Ang karma, especially with regards to honesty, talagang aura mismo. Hindi yan matagal pa. At ang ating contemplative pause ngayon ay magnilay-nilayan natin. Ang sinasabi na honesty is the best policy. When we are honest, alam nyo mga kapanalig, when we are honest, many good things would even come to our lives. Pero kahit na 10 piso lang ang mawala, mas marami pa ang mawawala. Kung 1 million ang mawawala, so nakawin ang 1 million, nakawin ang 1 billion, mas sobra pa ang mangyayari. Kahit na maliit pa ko, ang mami ko nagsasabi sa akin talaga na kahit piso lang ang nakawin mo, ang mawala mo ay mas malaki pa. So, mawawala yun sa pamamagitan ng sakit, nakawan ka, masunugan ka, o makulong ka. So, mga kapanalig, this is our moment to thank God to help us pay attention to the realities of life. I hope that the Filipino people learn lessons that corruption does not pay at all. And so, pahinga muna. Let us have a short moment of contemplative pause so that we may realize how important it is to be honest in our life. Inhale deeply, hold your breath, and exhale very slowly. One more time, inhale deeply and hold your breath, and exhale very slowly. May you be blessed, may you be healed, may you continue to be a blessing to many, many other people. God bless you, and good night.